How to make a Facebook group grow. Facebook has at the moment 2.32 billion users and it keeps on growing. That means you will find your target audience within Facebook user database. From weird hobbies like element collecting to extreme ironing and geocaching, you will find them all on Facebook. The nice part is Facebook is a place where people go to socialize, relax and escape their daily routine. So they're in the perfect state of mind to join a like-minded community like a Facebook group. A lot of people asked me how they can grow their Facebook group and email list, and I am sorry. I seriously don't have a clue about that. And then the other day a subscriber on Facebook asked about how to make a Facebook group grow. I did a quick Google search and found a Chrome extension that focused on exactly that. Anyway, I sent the URL to him, and then thought I'd create this quick video to share it with you guys as well. I've placed the link in the description below this video, and also in the pinned comment. Please note that I'm not endorsing this website. I'm not a member. I'm just sharing it so you can check it out and see if it interests you. Okay guys, that's all for now. Please let me know what topics you'd like me to cover this coming month. Have an awesome day and remember to use your common sense while growing your Facebook group. Never send money to anyone you don't know and haven't met face to face.